Alright, so it looks like what happens basically is your gearing right here. The farther you put the gearing, the farther back it allows that pulley right there to go, which I believe that's called the variable speed pulley. It's either that one or that one. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But as you're clicking this one, it's moving this little bracket right here. I don't know what that does underneath. We'll find out. But it lets that pulley go back further. So when you adjust the throttle over here, what it's doing is allowing this pulley to go farther backwards, increasing the tension on the belt. So basically what it looks like is that this thing uses the pulley slipping, they're using the belts slipping on the pulley to control the speed. So slip is good on this thing. The question is if you put a chain on there and you leave it in, you run it at 7th gear, you almost have to go live axle, or I don't know what it would do going from drive pulley down here, which is what that is, running a chain from there all the way, I don't know if you can see that or not, but all the way back to that one, because that's the transmission pulley. I think that's just a tensioner pulley right here. That Fearless Front was talking about. So let's start it back up and see what it looks like underneath.